Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to avoid highways on Google Maps Android. So let's get right into it. Open up a Google Map and then you have to tap longer on the location where you want to go and then you have to hit on directions. For now, I'm going to hit on car. Then you have to hit on this three dotted button which is the top right corner of the screen. And here you will see this type of pop-up over the screen. You have to go with options. Here you will see three of options where you can avoid highways. Just simply you have to hit on this option and that's it guys. How to avoid highways on Google Maps Android. If this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe. See you guys in the next one.